In this lecture, we'll take a look at how we can make use of jQuery and Lodash library to play with the document object model. So the first thing that we'll do is include CDN link for jQuery. Over here, I have went to code.jquery.com, and here I have the script tag. Similarly, for Lodash, we have this library lodash.min.js. You can click on copy to clipboard to copy the URL, and here what I've done is I've created one HTML page with a couple of paragraphs, and then I've included the jQuery library, and after that I've included the Lodash library. Next, we have another JavaScript file. That's our util.js file. So if I take you to util.js, you'll see that first of all, as soon as the document is ready, we are targeting all the paragraph tags in the body, and then we are making use of the Lodash each method to iterate over the jQuery object. Here what we are doing is, you will notice that the underscore is how Lodash starts. So every method that Lodash has, we prefix underscore. Just like dollar is for jQuery, you can say underscore is used over here for Lodash. So underscore dot each, and then the paragraph, then a callback function, and here we are making changes to the paragraph tag. So CSS font weight bold, then we have underline, the first element and the last element, and all elements are bold by default. Over here we can make it as line through as well. So if I save this and run it now, you'll see it's going to appear like this. So let me reload it. So the first element is underlined, the last element is strike through, and then we have second and third as bold elements. And that is what we are doing using the Lodash library. We are finding it over here. We are finding the first object, then the last object, and then we are making DOM changes to those objects.